If you take a look at the set of fields for the payment class inside the ITXM module, you can see that the fee field has a default value of 0. Let's learn what this is all about. Application accounts are just normal Algorand accounts, and they also need to pay transaction fees when sending transactions. Now, I have a question for you. Who should pay for the transaction fees incurred by sending an inner transaction? The application account or the external account calling the method that sends an inner transaction? The simple answer is it doesn't matter as long as one of them pays. But let's dive into this a little bit more. If the application account pays the transaction fee, the fee field must be set to an amount enough to cover the cost. However, this is not recommended because if the application account is paying the transaction fees, what happens if the method is called, let's say, 1,000,000 times? The balance of the application account would soon be drained and break the smart contract. So it's extremely dangerous to make the smart contract pay for its inner transactions. So the recommended method is to set the fee field to 0, which is the default value, and let the external method caller pay for the inner transaction fee in behalf of the application account. This means when you're calling a method with an inner transaction, you will have to top up the transaction fee to cover both the app call transaction fee and the inner transaction fee. So to summarize, if you're going to make the contract caller pay for the inner transaction fees, you don't have to manually set the fee field because the fee is always set to 0 by default.